After a long time, back on a food review. This is the latest restaurant in Karama, high on chaap. This is technically a North Indian street food delicacy, and as we enter inside, oh, you can see how it is traditionally cooked on a seek in a tandoor. Let's get in. Oh, you can see the brand high on chaap as we enter. The kitchen is on the ground floor, and most of the seating is on the top floor. But the question for today is, am I becoming a chaapatarian today or not? So let's get started to the world of chaap, the soya bean one. We got through this funky menu pretty quickly. For starters, we got the drinks, the soda lime. Look at that froth. We got the tandoori platter, which consisted of achari, pudina, garlic, as well as Afghani chop, soya bean chop. This is the Rogani main dish, and this was amazing as well. This is technically a Sikh kebab, which was filled with paneer and soya chop, and this is the star of the show. The Rogani flavors were amazing, and to end, we got warm gajar ka halwa, which was amazing to finish our meal with. So overall, the flavors were on point, the service was great, and I would rate it 4 out of 5.